start the video with the introduction. What is electromagnetism? Electromagnetism is a branch of physics involving the study of the electromagnetic force, a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles. Electromagnetism also is a process where a magnetic field is created by introducing the current in the conductor. When a conductor is electrically charged, it generates magnetic lines of force of the conductor. For the example, if current such that positive charge moving in a wire, it produces the magnetic field along the wire and the direction of magnetic lines. Force also means using right-hand rule. Right-hand rule shows the direction of induced current when a conductor attached to a circuit moves in a magnetic field. The thumb fingers show the motion. The index is point in the direction of magnetic field and middle finger represent the direction of the induced or generated current within the conductor. Do you know, electromagnetism has been around us in everyday life through various applications and needs. So let's continue with the applications.
Now, I would like to explain about the application of electromagnetism in our daily life. First is the television. Do you know that how the image of the television is produced? The image on television is produced as a stream of electrons from an electron ray gun in the back of your television. The stream is of electron directed down to the cathode ray tube. Pair of coils on the tube neck create a set of perpendicular magnetic fields. The electrons travel straight until they are affected by electromagnets along the side of the tube. The electromagnet directs the stream toward either horizontally or vertically to different regions of the screen. The current to the coils can be varied, so phosphotriol on the screen starts glow. It is allowing you to watch the television.
The next electromagnetic application is speaker. The main aim is to convert the electrical wave into audible sound. When current passes through the metal coil attached to a permanent magnet, a magnetic field is generated. The permanent magnetic field repels the newly formed magnetic field that paves way for vibration. These generated vibrations are causing the sound. The conductive diaphragm design will allow us to turn audio signal into sound wave. It is possible to send an electrical audio signal through a conductor and have it move an electromagnetic diaphragm in order to produce sound. The main point is that utilize driver to convert audio into sound. The driver that utilize electromagnetism and magnet are as follows: moving coil dynamic, magnet-o-static, ribbon, moving ion, and magnet-o-strictive. As the electrical audio signal is passed through the voice coil, a magnetic field is produced in the coil and the coil diaphragm moves within the permanent magnetic field that is provided by the magnet. One strong center-ring-shaped magnet is used with a few pole pieces to extend its pole to the interior and exterior of the coil. There are magnet arrays to either side of a movable diaphragm. The magnetic field strength is concentrated at the diaphragm. This varying magnetic field interacts with the permanent field of the magnetic array and cause diaphragm to move and produce sound. Ribbon is made of conductive material to improve durability and efficiency. The thinness and lower mass of the ribbon allow it to move very accurately. Strong permanent magnets are required to produce a decent level of sound. As the audio signal is passed through the conductive ribbon, a voltage is applied across the ribbon and varying magnetic field is produced. The magnet placed above and below a conductive armature. The magnetic are two opposite to the top and bottom of the balanced iron or armature and will produce a concentrated magnetic field. The audio signal is passed through a stationary coil which causes a varying magnetic field in the coil and it moves between the two magnets. Magnet ostration core is made of many thin magnetic plates stacked together. Magnet ostration is property of ferromagnetic material that cause them to change their shape during the process of magnetization. This loudspeaker type require magnet to transduce energy and turn audio into sound.
Electromagnetism has so many technological applications in medical system, communication system, industrial application, and household appliance. The most important application of anything are the medical ones. The commonly cited medical application of electromagnetic is magnetic resonance imaging, or known as MRI scanner. MRI scanners are basically gigantic electromagnets, magnets that can be controlled by turning the electricity up or down. Using these gigantic electromagnets, we are able to take the images inside the human body. This allows us to diagnose diseases and even see issues inside the brain. The electromagnetic therapy is an alternate form of medicine which claims to treat disease by applying pulsed electromagnetic field or electromagnetic radiation to the body. This type of treatment is used for a wide range of ailments such as nervous disorder, diabetes, spinal cord injuries, ulcer, asthma, and etc. In MRI scans, sophisticated equipment works based on the electromagnetism. It can scan minute detail of the human body. Many of the medical equipment such as scanners, X-ray equipment, and other equipment uses electromagnetism principle for their functioning also.
Next, we will continue to conclusion of electromagnetism. So let me see. Electromagnetism is one of the four fundamental interactions in nature. The other three are the strong interaction, the weak interaction, and gravitation. Electromagnetism is the force that causes the interaction between electrically charged particles. The areas in which this happens are called electromagnetic field. Electromagnetism is responsible for practically all the phenomena encountered in daily life, which is the expectation of gravity. Ordinary matter takes its form as a result of intermolecular force between individual molecules in matters. Then, electromagnetism is also the force which holds electrons and protons together inside atoms, which are the building blocks of molecules. This governs of the process involved in chemistry which arises from interaction between the electrons inside and between atoms. Next is application that my group we use a television, speaker, and so on. Electromagnetism manifests as both electric field and magnetic field. Both fields are simple different aspects of electromagnetism and hence are intrinsically related. Is a changing electric field generate a magnetic field? Conversely, a changing magnetic field generate an electric field. This effect is called electromagnetism induction and is the basic of operation. The electric field generate induction motor and transformers. Mathematically speaking, magnetic field and electric field are compatible with electric motion as the four vectors. Next is we will see about the electric field are the cause of several common phenomena such as electric potential, such as the voltage of the battery, and electric current, such as the flow of the current through a flashlight. Magnetic field are the cause of